Now you know 3 major tips to improve your follow through. And now I will show you exercise drill which you can do to improve it. The key point is to always have consistent delivery through, always consistent contact point. This is very important. So when you play the shot and you feel that you didn't deliver through the ball, just make sure that you're pushing the cue through. We'll show you a bad example. So let's say you're not delivering through enough, like this. For example, your follow through was short. So take a notice to my grip. So if you finish here, look to my grip. You need to go here. In this way, you will understand logically and with the feeling what you need to do to have a decent follow through. Bad example of too much follow through. It looks like this. So in this case, 2 things I did bad. First of all, my cue touched the cushion, and second, my cue tip went up. In this case, I know that my cue delivery was not great, and most likely I won't have consistency in shots. So this is how you understand when you deliver cue not efficiently and badly. I will show you a good example. Deliver cue through the ball, and if you finish to the chest but you cannot go through the ball anymore after the contact with the chest, it usually means that your delivery through was nice and efficient. And this exercise is very good because it allows you to get through. You can play with stun shot, first of all, because it's easier to play with a stun run shot. And then you can try to play a little backspin shot, soft backspin shot or draw shot here. So I will show you touch of backspin. And lots of people are afraid to play backspin shots because they're afraid that the Q-tip is gonna touch the cue ball and they're gonna make a foul, double hit. So it looks like this. A little back, follow through, okay? Don't be afraid to touch with your Q-tip cue ball. It means usually that your cue action was decent. And if you want to go away, just move your bridge like this. When it goes like this, just move your bridge and then you're not risking to make a bad follow through. And now if you play with power, same thing. 1, 2. You see? I hit the ball. I will show you without lifting my bridge arm. It's just gonna go to my Q-tip. 1. Just like that, okay? Very nice drill to do. Recommend for any level player from beginner to advanced. And I'm sure if you're gonna practice daily, your results will improve.